Viet Tiles ventilation bricks are an aesthetic and effective solution for building fences and balconies to get wind in both modern and traditional architectural works. With a variety of designs and natural ventilation bricks not only help circulate air, creating an airy feeling, but also bring high artistic value. When used for fences, the bricks help create a gentle barrier but still ensure privacy, while softening direct sunlight and reducing heat for the interior space. For balconies, ventilation bricks act as a delicate screen, both providing natural light and wind, and increasing the aesthetics of the house facade. Viet Tiles products are handcrafted from cement and sand, unburnt, environmentally friendly and highly durable, suitable for hot climates. This is the ideal choice for those who love the harmony between tradition and modernity. Are you planning to use ventilation bricks for any specific project?